Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So here in this video I will teach you how you can create these type of avatar videos. So watch till end. Here I have opened my HeyGen. You can see here all of the avatars in the HeyGen. If we scroll down here you can see how much options we have. So let me go and play one for you.
To the new era of video creation with HeyGen.
Here you can see that we have so many options of the same avatar, and simply you can create a video by clicking on create a video. Now here I will teach you about this all in detail how you can create a video. Let me first show you some avatars.
Welcome to the new era. Welcome to the new era of.
Here you can see that how much options we have of the same avatar. Now let me go and show you one more avatar.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen.
Now let's go and create a video. So click on create video. Now here you have three options. You can create a video with a script, or you can use here your own voice. You can record your voice, or you can upload here an audio file. So here I will go with script. Here you can create a AI script. So here you just have to provide a topic on which you want to make script, then AI will create a script for you. Now for example, if we go and if we type here importance of timetable, so this AI will create a script for us. Here you can also choose the language, so I will just go with English here. And here you can also choose the tone as well and duration. So here now you have to choose the voice. You can select here the voices. Here you have many voices. Here you can also choose your own voices if you have recorded any. Now here you can go with many accents. Here you can find different accents, and here you can also see different languages as well. So here I will just go with English. You can write here Urdu, Hindi, German, whatever you want. Similarly, here you can apply filter for all the female voices, or you can see here all the male voices by applying the filter, and you can see both as well in the all. Now here I will just go and I will choose one voice. Then you have to click on generate, and now you can see that you have to choose a frame. Here you have three options. Now let's play the video.
Deadlines are met and reducing stress. With a clear timetable, you can prioritize your activities and allocate time for both work and leisure.
This turned out really nice. Now let's go, and here this time I will just do with a male. So here you can see a male avatar.
Your instant avatar is ready.
In cafe without mic. Your instant avatar is ready.
Here you can see that how much options you have of the same avatar. Now let's go, and here this time I will upload a file. So here I will just upload the file, and now I will just check the frame. Here I will just go with a portrait one. Now after choosing the frame, just simply click on generate, and now you can see
shadows rise, the war begins, crimson echoes, a vow within.
Here you can see that how it turned out. Now let's go, and here I will just teach you how you can create a photo avatar. Here you have many, you can use from these as well, and you can create as well. Here you have three options. You can create with AI, or you can upload a photo, or you can take a photo. Here I'm just creating with AI. So for that you have to write a name here, then you have to choose its age, and then gender, ethnicity, and then you have to describe its appearance, how it should look like. The more detail you will provide, the better it will turn out. I'll provide here the pose and the orientations. After that you can see that our avatar is creating. Here you can see that we have four options. You can select from any of these. So I will just go with this one. Now let's go and make a video. Here you again have three options. I will go with script. Here you have to provide a topic, and AI will create a script. And similarly here you have to select the voice as well, and after that you have to select the frame here. And once the frame is done, you can click on generate, and here play the video.
Artificial intelligence technology is transforming our world at an astonishing pace. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars, AI is integrating into our daily lives.
You can remove this watermark by upgrading, and that's how you can use this avatar in HeyGen. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.